The next fabrication process is by CMOS technology. By CMOS means bipolar junction transistor with complementary metal oxide semiconductor fabrication process. This process features both NPN and PNP transistors in addition to PMOS and NMOS transistors. The starting material is lightly doped P substrate into which antimony or arsenic are diffused to form an N-buried layer. So this is going to be diffused to form a N-buried layer. And P-type epitaxy, a layer around 4.0 micrometer thick, is then grown above this P substrate. The N wells and P wells are then see the oxidation process what we discussed earlier has been takes place for creating a above which the epitaxial layer. This blue color indicates our silicon dioxide. Okay, so the photoresist takes place for protecting the unwanted doping area, right? So the similar process only takes place within the same BiCMOS preparation. After which we are growing that N wells within the epitaxial layer as well as buried layer. So what's the mean here? We are doping the phosphorus, the pentavalent element here, to make a N well within this epitaxial layer. So this epitaxial layer isolates the PNP and NPN transistors, right, in a horizontal directions, while the buried layer isolates this vertically. The NPN transistor is a junction isolated. The base for PNP is then ion implanted using phosphorus, right? The diffusion step follows this to get the right doping profile. The NPN collector is formed by depositing phosphorus here to create a well. So the one by one steps has been shown to create a well, above which how this, see here, the gate material prepared for this within this N well. That is means what? The silicon dioxide, the silicon dioxide is there, above which we implant that polysilicon to preparing a gate for this NPN and PNP transistors. Okay. Next, we'll move to the this step, the third window, the P impurity or moderately doped to form the base terminal of BJT. N well acts like the collector terminal in this one, right? So here the P base is created for the BJT. P base. P base means we are implanting this boron trivalent impurity within for creating a P-type material within this BJT, bipolar junction transistors. See, next is the process where we are doping the N-type material for creating a NPN transistor, right? So during this time, the entire portion of this PNP as well as BJT is going to be protected by photoresist, so that we are implanting the N-type material here. Okay. So for why do we create this N-type material? I mean, doping this N-type material to this one, to this P epitaxial layer, for creating a source and drain for this NPN transistor, right? So that's what we need to create this N well within the epitaxial layer. The next process is, again, this NPN transistor is going to be covered by a photoresist, and we are planting the P-type material, or the diffusion takes place within this N well, so that the P-type material boron is going to be planted to create a drain and source for the PNP transistor. So during this process time, the remaining portion is going to be covered by a photoresist. These two areas will be covered by the photoresist. Now, the entire surface is covered with a thick oxide layer. Okay. So what is the purpose of doing this process? Means to create a metallization process. So after covering entire portion, these portions like a drain and source for this NPN and the drain and source for the PNP will be etched, and then the aluminum terminals has been created within this to giving a connectivity. To giving a connectivity. For that only we are covering the entire portion by a thick oxide layer. Okay. So after completing this, after finishing this, we can able to etch the portion of the thick oxide layer. And then here the aluminum is going to be poured to create a terminals. So that we'll get, the next is the terminals like source, gate, drain for NMOS. Likewise, source, gate, drain for PMOS. Likewise, we'll get collector, base, emitter for the BJT. So in that way, the fabrication process steps has been completed. So that we'll get the entire BIMOS structure. Thank you.